Hey, how's it going? And this is just a quick follow-up to a tutorial I just did on Hello World in C++ and Unreal Engine. You probably need to watch it to understand where we are now, but I followed that tutorial exactly the same. The only difference is I'm in the third person template, not the first person template. And if you follow that tutorial and you do it exactly as it's shown, but you do it in the third person, it won't work. And why won't it work? And it won't work because there's a little bit of a glitch here in the code. Well, let's look at something here. If we come up here and we look at our input actions, you'll see that on jumping, these two functions are being called jump and stop jumping. Well, look, there is no jumping or stop jumping. There is it's inside of another function called do jump start and do jump in. So it's calling something that it can't see or access. So we need to fix this. So let's come up here to right here, and instead of having it called, what's it called? It's called do jump start and do jump in. So do jump start. So here we're just going to change this to do jump start, and this is going to be do jump end. And then the only other issue we're going to have is the character it's calling. We need it to call this character, and that's why we're getting an error here. So we needed to call a fixing a bug character, and this one too, a fixing a bug character, and that should resolve it. Make sure we're in the development editor, everything's exactly the same, and then we'll go save all. Then we'll come over to our program file here and right click and rebuild our code. Now I've already closed out of Unreal Editor, I'm only in Visual Studio, and we go rebuild. Like before, it'll take a minute to do its thing. And this was absolutely driving me crazy, but I think the takeaway from this is that it's not always your fault. It could be something legitimately wrong with the program. And in this case, that's what it appears to have been. It was absolutely driving me nuts that it wouldn't work, and I couldn't see why. And so I just went back and started getting some help from people, and we finally figured it out. So it was great to see that this appears to now work. So, because it didn't make any sense to me why it wasn't working. I'm going to kind of jump ahead here real fast here as soon as it's done. Now we go to our original program file in our Word on our system, and it's called Fixing a Bug. And we click the folder here, and let's see if it'll print out Fixing a Bug, or it could be Hello World or whatever you want it to say. I say Unreal Engine and Unreal Editor all the time. So I have my output log docked. We'll hit play. There's my character, third person. Hit the space bar, look, fixing a bug. So we fixed a bug in Unreal Engine. So yeah, things happen, okay? Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.